We'll guide you through how to change and set the text message notification sound on an Android. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to be able to do as you can be bored with the current sound. To go and do this, go and open up your settings like so. Then what you need to do is go and find the option sounds and vibration. And what you need to do is go and find notification sound like so. Now what you can do is go through here and you can click on the sounds and you can go and hear how they sound. And if you like it, you can leave it selected and that's it. So for example, I might go for this one here and now that sound is going to go and play when I go and get a message. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.